Abundance and creating financial flow involves more than just wishful thinking. It requires a combination of mindset shifts, strategic actions, and consistent practices that align your energy with the flow of wealth and prosperity. By adopting a holistic approach, you can attract and sustain financial abundance in your life. Manifesting abundance in the realm of finances involves applying manifestation principles to attract prosperity, wealth, and financial opportunities into your life. This process integrates intention setting, belief alignment, and proactive steps to enhance your financial well-being and create a sustainable flow of abundance. The first step in manifesting financial abundance is clarifying your financial goals and intentions. This involves setting specific and achievable goals, such as saving a certain amount of money, increasing income streams, or achieving financial independence. Clarity in goals helps focus your energy and intention on what you truly desire to manifest. Visualizing yourself in a state of financial abundance is a powerful manifestation technique. Imagine yourself achieving financial goals, living comfortably, and enjoying financial freedom. Visualizing these scenarios in detail evokes positive emotions and reinforces your belief in attracting and experiencing financial prosperity. Affirmations are essential tools for manifesting financial abundance. Use affirmations such as, "I am open to receiving wealth and abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly," or "I am financially secure and free." Repeat these affirmations daily to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your beliefs with financial success. Practicing gratitude for financial blessings and opportunities, regardless of their scale, enhances your vibrational frequency and attracts more positive financial experiences into your life. Express gratitude for current financial stability, income sources, and opportunities for growth to cultivate a mindset of abundance and appreciation. Taking inspired action is crucial in manifesting financial abundance. This involves actively pursuing opportunities, investing wisely, expanding your skills and knowledge, and seeking ways to increase your income or improve financial management. By taking proactive steps aligned with your financial goals, you create momentum and open doors for greater financial flow. Educating yourself about financial principles, investments, and wealth-building strategies empowers you to make informed decisions and maximize financial opportunities. By acquiring knowledge and skills in areas such as budgeting, saving, investing, and entrepreneurship, you enhance your ability to attract and manage financial abundance effectively. Believing in your worthiness and deservingness of financial abundance is fundamental to manifestation. Release limiting beliefs about money, scarcity, and lack, and replace them with beliefs that affirm your ability to attract and manage wealth responsibly. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, generosity, and prosperity consciousness. Patience and persistence are key virtues in the manifestation of financial abundance. Trust in the process and remain open to unexpected opportunities and sources of income. Stay committed to your financial goals. Adapt to challenges and celebrate milestones along the journey to financial freedom. The first step in manifesting financial abundance is to cultivate a mindset of abundance. This involves shifting your thoughts and beliefs from scarcity to prosperity. Many people grow up with limiting beliefs about money, such as money is hard to come by, rich people are greedy, or I don't deserve to be wealthy. These beliefs can block the flow of abundance in your life. To shift your mindset, start by identifying and challenging these limiting beliefs. Replace them with empowering affirmations like, "I am worthy of wealth. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly, and there is more than enough for everyone." Repeating these affirmations daily can help reprogram your subconscious mind and attract financial prosperity. Visualization is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Spend time each day visualizing your financial goals as if they have already been achieved. Imagine the lifestyle you desire, the experiences you want to have, and the impact you wish to make with your wealth. Visualize with as much detail and emotion as possible, feeling the joy, freedom, and satisfaction that come with financial abundance. This practice sends a clear signal to the universe about your desires and helps align your energy with the flow of money. Gratitude is another essential practice for manifesting abundance. Gratitude raises your vibrational frequency and shifts your focus from lack to abundance. By appreciating what you already have, you open yourself up to receiving more. Each day, take a few moments to write down or mentally note the things you are grateful for, especially related to your financial situation. This could include a steady income, opportunities for growth, or even small financial wins. Expressing gratitude helps attract more positive experiences and wealth into your life. Creating a financial plan is a practical step that supports the manifestation of abundance. A financial plan helps you set clear goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. Start by identifying your financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Break these goals down into actionable steps and set deadlines for achieving them. This could include creating a budget, saving a certain percentage of your income, investing in assets, or increasing your skills to earn more money. A well-defined financial plan provides direction and keeps you focused on your path to abundance. Taking inspired action is crucial in the manifestation process. While visualization and affirmations are important, they must be complemented by concrete actions. Look for opportunities to increase your income, such as starting a side business, seeking a promotion, or exploring new investments. Be proactive and open to new possibilities, even if they seem outside your comfort zone. Inspired action shows your commitment to financial abundance and creates momentum towards achieving your goals. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can significantly impact your financial mindset and success. Spend time with people who have a positive relationship with money and who inspire and support your financial goals. Avoid negative influences that reinforce scarcity and limit your potential. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can provide encouragement, advice, and opportunities to learn and grow. Letting go of scarcity behaviors is essential for manifesting abundance. This includes hoarding money out of fear, avoiding financial risks, or constantly worrying about finances. Instead, practice generosity and trust in the flow of money. When you give, whether it's donating to a cause you care about or helping someone in need, you affirm that there is more than enough to go around. This mindset creates a cycle of giving and receiving that enhances your financial flow. Investing in your personal growth is another key aspect of manifesting financial abundance. This could include furthering your education, developing new skills, or enhancing your knowledge in areas related to finance and business. Personal growth not only increases your earning potential, but also boosts your confidence and opens up new opportunities for wealth creation. Finally, trust and surrender are fundamental to the manifestation process. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your financial goals are being realized. Surrender the need to control every detail and remain open to the unexpected. Sometimes, opportunities for abundance come in ways we never anticipated. By maintaining a positive and trusting attitude, you allow the flow of wealth and prosperity to come into your life with ease. In conclusion, manifesting financial abundance and creating financial flow involves cultivating an abundance mindset, visualizing your goals, practicing gratitude, creating a financial plan, taking inspired action, surrounding yourself with positive influences, letting go of scarcity behaviors, investing in personal growth, and trusting the process. By aligning your energy and actions with the principles of abundance, you can attract and sustain financial prosperity. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. See you next time.